Hey guys! Welcome back to another Bacolod vlog. So, dito kami guys sa Ayala Capitol kasi nanood kami ng tingnan yung t-shirt ko. Ano? Guess. Spider-Man Brand New Day movie. Tingnan niyo guys, si MM, naka Spider-Man Crocs. As a fan. Then, the lines are crazy. Katatapos lang namin actually mag-watch and it was good. Manood na kayo guys, ang daming tao. So, kasama namin guys, si Linlin and si Jaisel. How's the movie?
Frank. Frank Militar.
Si Frank. How's the movie? So guys, dahil nagutom kami sa movie, andito kami sa Hanok. It's one of the OG Korean restaurants here in Bacolod. Located lang ito guys sa may Golden Field area. Malapit sa City Mall yun, no?
Oo.
Malapit lang sa City Mall. Meron silang ano dito guys, Anli na Samji 420. Pero yung in-order namin, yung hindi lang Anli. Kasi may iba pa kaming order yung ano sa to? Raboki, no? Raboki. Oo. Papakita ko na lang yung foods later. Then this is the side dish.
So very.
Hey guys, so to end our day, it's now 9 p.m. guys, and magpapapawis kami. Nandito kami guys sa Pickle Triangle, dito sa Triangle Island Plaza. So it's our first time here.
So guys,
And
napansin nyo, nag-shift na kami sa pickleball.
Yeah. Nung May kasi guys, nag-start kami again na mag-play ng badminton. Kaya lang guys, very limited na lang kasi yun nagki-cater ng badminton
Yes.
during
Tsaka
late
yung
night.
regular namin na court na convert sila to pickleball. So,
Yeah. So we had to
yeah,
adjust.
wala kaming choice. So,
Nag-adjust
nag-convert
kami.
na lang kami.
This will be our 4th time guys na maglalaro ng
Nag-enjoy naman
pickleball.
kami so far.
Yeah.
Basta, papawis lang.
Yeah. See you guys. So guys, we're done with our 1 hour game dito sa Pickle Triangle. Ito pala si Daisel guys, sumunod lang siya kanina. Yun, 9 to 10 p.m. na game guys, pawis na kami. So dito again sa Pickle Triangle, sa may Triangle Island Plaza.
Next week naman,
May mga may scheduled game ulit kami. Ibang venue naman. That's it guys for our vlog. Today it's our day of vlog here in Bacolod from me and MM. Bye-bye!
Bye-bye! Bye-bye!